Your message dropped out of the ether. Guess at some point every dam becomes a wheel. You said you had someone. When will I meet her? You said that you're an anagram. She made your nature clear as the sky. Makes it rain. Creeks, they fill the river. Creeks, they fill the river. And mountains overlay. Make an interesting picture. An interesting picture. You'd have to train the bay to measure and lead us. When should we meet her? Or should we meet her? I'd love to meet her and see her features, to see if she looks like me or you. Me or you.